Hello and welcome, it's Jolly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Today I'm coming to you with a basic and easy acrylic flip cup pour. So these are definitely easy enough to do when you're a beginner, and they're definitely the first acrylic pour technique that I started with all those years ago. 3-4 years ago, I think. So it's just loading up your acrylic paints that you've made up with your pouring medium into those little cups. So I started off with white, and this is it's kind of a turquoisey green, and now I'm putting in some yucky colours here, but trust me, they come out beautiful. That's burnt umber. So it's just layering your cups with the paints. You can layer into the cups like down the side of the cup, or you can do it as I'm doing, is pouring it in like in a pouring motion. And it does mix the colours a little bit more doing it the way I'm doing it. So I find that if you have your colours a little bit thicker, then it definitely stops your paints going muddy. So the only thing to remember with acrylic and fluid art is the only rule is there is no rules. Nobody has a monopoly on it. You can do it any way you choose. There's no set rules, and there's certainly no set colours. So it's a stress-free environment, I find. So don't get too worked up about it if you're trying it for the first time. Just relax about it and just really enjoy your time, which is art therapy for sure. So the other colour I've put in there was the metallic. That's metallic copper going in, and I've added white, and there was that yellow. And so they basically are leftover colours, but they're leftover colours for me from what I've been working with. But I know that will look lovely together as long as they don't go muddy. So wish me luck, and we'll see what gorgeous creation becomes of this nice relaxing technique. So that's all the colours loaded into those little cups, and now it's time to literally flip. Don't overthink this flip. It's just a flick of the wrist and it's done. So you can just leave those cups for a little second or two for the paint to actually all come down. What I'm doing is just using a bit of white paint, so to do my very edges of my canvas. This isn't an absolute necessary, because there is going to be lots of paint in those cups that's going to cover the canvas, but it certainly sometimes makes it a little easier for the paint to slide over the top. So I'm just sort of putting that paint that I've put there, spreading it just over the edges. So you can choose to do this, or you can miss out this process. Like I've told you many times before, the only rule is there's no rules. So I just find all these little bits and bobs that I do, little techniques along the way, are all part of the enjoyment of it. So here we go. Oh my goodness, look at those colours. They are really super duper together, and I'm really happy with how this is turning out. It's a really beautiful colour combo, I find, and it's so therapeutic. So now for the gentle tilt all over the canvas. I'm just whizzing over it now with my heat wand. This just bursts any air bubbles in the paint and also helps the paint get absorbed into your canvas. I am super duper happy with this one. It is absolutely perfect as it is, but of course I want to push the boundaries and give it a try. So what I'm doing here is I'm using my little spatula and I'm going to put on a cell activator, which is the black paint mixed with Australian Floetrol, onto that spatula, which is an offset spatula. So using Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam paint mixed makes a lovely, what they call, cell activator. So yeah, having trouble with the opening the bottle here, and I haven't even had a drink. So I'm just squirting some of that paint onto my offset spatula and going to do what I call an Aussie slide through my work to bring up the cells like gems and clusters. Wow, wow, wow. Well, that's enough of my shenanigans, but I'm having fun, enjoying every moment of it. Hope you loved it too. Until tomorrow's next exciting episode, which I hope you join me again, please take care of yourselves. Have a joyful and safe holiday season, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.